I've treated myself to a lovely new mitre saw because it was a bit discounted on Amazon. So I thought I'd better do something about the dust collections. I'm just making a very quick video in case it interests anybody else. But basically, sorry I didn't make a video of me actually making it, but I've just made this shroud, surround, don't know what you want to call it, out of, that's 12mm ply and this is 6mm MDF. Just what I had. You can see it's got these hinges. It's ugly as sin, but it folds away, so it can be stored almost flat, not quite flat, and it does an okay job. Before I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect because it isn't. I've got these little bits on the side for the dust collection and power cables to go through. On this saw, the dust collection kind of points off to the side. Got another one on this side in case I ever move my power onto the other side. I thought I'd better do both. I've chamfered the edges just because I like chamfered edges on things, but obviously didn't need to do that. I tested it first with the box it came in. I mocked one up out of cardboard. So I've got this one here. I tried it with first just because I wanted to see whether the dust would actually just blow forwards, like bounce off the back and blow forwards. And it does a little bit, I'll be honest, but it's nowhere near as bad as it used to blow backwards, if that makes sense. Like the amount of dust coming forwards is less than half of the amount of dust that used to go backwards all over all that stuff over there that I'd have to, see my bite there and stuff. So, yeah, it's pretty good. Obviously, if I rotate the saw around, the back bit's actually fine, but this top bit I just take off. You can see I've just used a load of offcuts there to kind of retain it in place on the top thing. But if I take that off, I can rotate the saw around to 45, no problem. That's okay. Beveling it, leaning it over, yeah, I do need to move them around, but because it's on hinges, all I have to do is just kind of slightly move the sides a bit and it does the job. So all in all, it's making life a lot easier because I only have to hoover up that bit instead of the whole rest of the garage. So yeah, if anybody wants to copy the design, improve on it, feel free. I thought I'd just make it. I've got hinges on the inside there and hinges on the outside here, so that one side folds in that way and one side folds around the other way. I can't really show you because I'm holding the camera. I can't do it with one hand, but hopefully you get the idea. So yeah. Folding dust shroud for the mitre saw. Pretty happy with that. And like I say, anybody wants to have a go at doing one, I'll move that. Knock yourselves out. Anyway, I'll put that on in a sec. There you go, you get the idea.